Hi guys. Absolutely lovely day. What a lovely day. Oh fucking hell, look at my hair. Guys, it is like 24, 25 degrees. Damn son. Jesus. If that's not the thumbnail, I don't know what is. Look at all of that. Oh wait, no! I've been on this road. We're just doing it backwards. I came on this one when it was me and you guys on our own for that first day we went riding. I came this way down here. This is just what was behind me. But look at that. What the hell, mate? That's kind of crazy. I wonder why that is. There's no waves at all. It's just like a lake for miles. Look at that. It just looks like that's the end of the earth and like it falls off. That just looks like there's a dead end there and then you're just going to go to the edge and then jump off. Flat earthers. That looks crazy, doesn't it?
You got any coconut?
Yeah.
Bosh. Yeah, good one. Just went for a piss in that bush and just pissed all over my boots. Alright. Let's catch these guys up. Just won't take long because they're driving like fannies now. Whee! We're just flowing, people. This is called flowing. So this is just smooth. Oh, precise. Liquid riding. One last send, Wales. One last send on your lovely bends. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, mate. Guys, you need to come here. You have to come here. I'll put the place that we came on the screen right now because it is the best place. There's roads everywhere around here and they're just insane. All of them. Like, look at that through the forest, mate. Oh my god, it does not get better than this, does it? It does not get better than this. Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Blown away by Wales, mate. Fucking blown away by Wales. Me and my dad carving up the Welsh streets on the way home. Dad's swinging around the old Triumph. Look at that. Perfect evening, perfect weather. That is a thumbnail if I've ever seen one. Such good times, man. Such good times. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. That is it, people. That is the last time we will be able to drive those roads for a while. Obviously I'm going to come out that way on the way home, but it's going to be early and I'm going to be tired. That was the proper last time to really enjoy that, and we definitely made the most of that from what I could show you anyway. Woo! Good times, man. Good times. Wales, you've been fucking amazing. Thanks for watching the little series, guys. I had an absolute great time. Massive shout out to Dad in front, because if he didn't help me out with this holiday, you wouldn't have even had episodes to watch, because I wouldn't be on this holiday because I couldn't really afford it. Dad sorted me out. Legend. So yeah, subscribe, We're back to normality though, unfortunately, so you won't see all these crazy roads all the time, but once this YouTube picks up and I can afford to go to these places, you best believe we will. But yeah, we're back to the streets with the boys, group rides and all that sort of stuff. Yeah, man, crazy times. We'll see where this YouTube goes, shall we? Appreciate all you guys that have watched so far. See you in a bit. Ride safe.
And the men don't we kinda turn around, eat your greens. When you fight, but you do real clean. Then you come to the bed and you love real dirty. It's everybody sweater drops, you're real keen. Bring it, let me get your juiciest piece. Can't remember when I've had the same please. The shops of the club never had no boundaries. How's it gonna be? Wanna eat these centipedes? Where we gonna go? You're gonna need these calories. Giving me a treat to refill these batteries. Then you only them on your knees, there's no way to dream. Ooh, it's sneaking up on you. There's nothing you can do. There's things about the boo. Ooh, it's sneaking up on you. There's nothing you can